I don't like to go out in summers. It's really hot outside. I feel so lazy. But how about making a quick salad? I'll be using quinoa in my salad, and my salad would be called quinoa coconut mango salad. For our quinoa coconut mango salad, we'll have to take a pan first, put some oil in it, let it heat, put your quinoa, let it roast. Add some water and then let it cook for at least 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, when you see your quinoa is fluffy, put the gas off and take your quinoa off the pan. So now when our quinoa is ready, chop some mangoes, chop some coconut, some mint leaves, squeeze lemon, mix it well, and enjoy your salad.